Hello everyone! When it comes to crafters, one of the things that we have in common is inventiveness. When we need something in a certain way, we need to find solutions to get things done easily and quickly, using tricks or items around us to keep things simple. This is one of these cases, and let me tell you why. I began my today's creation by making circles. If I wanted to create only one, it would have been simple, but in this case, I wanted to make two because I need them for my two earrings I'm going to craft. And it would be nice to make them the same size to keep things even. So I used a measurement tool, working with items around me or around the house. This time it was one of my glue bottles. So, after finding my tool, which helped me have the same unit of measure, I started by making a circle that will be my exterior limit of my jewelry pieces. I then created an oval from it and then I pinched it at both ends. I continued by making the interior elements. For the record, the design and arrangement possibilities are limitless, so you can try it in another way if you like. I chose to make a circle looping on my small comb, bending it so it can fit inside. We'll do something cute with this element later a bit. My next elements are some coils, and by now I'm sure you know these are as basic as it gets. but they will fit the purpose just fine, as you will see in the end. Here comes that time when we get to do something cute and make our future earrings more interesting. Remember I told you about some glitter lacquer I found at one of the craft stores I go to? Well, I decided to apply it on my yellow pieces, so it should give me a nice sparkling effect, for that added bling. Then comes another interesting part, which is to arrange everything together. Here you can do as you please and as you like, because the design allows for many possibilities. I tried a few and finally got to where I had a shape I liked, and once I had the final design in my mind, I started gluing everything together, making sure to use the correct amount of glue. All that we have left are the earring cuffs and we're done. Even here you might experiment a bit, as you will find this in different colors. Hope you like my quick and easy earrings of today, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. I have some other glitter lacquers waiting to be used in other projects, but I like the sparkle that this golden one gave me. Also, remember that this little design can be adapted and you can attach Swarovski crystals or other small trinkets if you want, or change the layout of the pieces or the number and size of the pieces. Do you think I should have used a different color? Let me know in a comment what you think. See you next time. Take care.